Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Lucy, and today we are playing Ark, and we just tamed the Parasaur that we tamed last time. Hold on, wait. So we got now. Got a Parasaur. Okay. Okay, I feel like they're. Let's see here. Male. So we got this Parasaur, that Parasaur, the Dilophosaurus, which is level 7, and I accidentally hit whatever you want. I don't know. And, kill 3 Dilophosaurus, no, what do you need here? Let's see here. Level 7, so there we go, and, bam. Level 7. We, on the other hand, are level 11. Now you might be thinking, why is that so? Well, I think last episode, the sound was very, like that. It was like, it was very broken. I don't know what happened really, but I stopped using that app because of that. So, I said that, we got, a lag, and that the Bola wasn't working for some reason. So I had to delete it and install it again. And then it actually worked. Now I got them Parasaurs. Also built a house. Right now I'm following the parasuits. Should have followed them from the beginning because now I'm leveling up like super fast. So I mean, that's great. They got a small house right here. Nothing much because I didn't have much materials. And also it told me like 4 only, and I just broke a piece on my phone. Yeah, but that's my home. Comment down below what we should call these dino. I'm literally running around the whole place. Oh my gosh. Okay, so actually just did last episode. So I don't even know what I should do in this episode really. Level 10 also. Wow, nice. So let's take out our frickin' pickaxe. Let's kill this thing because I want some hide. So we can build the frickin' actually like how much hide do we need? Wait, no, hide. Oh, we need wood also. Okay then. Gosh. Get them my minions. Oh, never mind. Please don't kill my Parasaurus. Please don't kill my Parasaurus. Where's my other Parasaurus? Oh, there it is. Phew. Hide. Okay. Good. Nice. I need to eat right now. literally. Okay, how are you doing, Mr. Professor? Okay, you're good. Things really wrong to you. Do we get enough? Let's see. I still need to kill more enemies thingies. Someone wanted the Dilophosaurus, is it? Where the heck did my tray go? Wait, what? Did it die? Please tell me it didn't die. No. No. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Phew. Okay, you two attack target. You want to attack target too, so yeah. Oh look, Triceratops is a level up. Easy. I like damage. Do not like damage. Okay, let's go hunting. Gosh. Hello, Mr. Paris. How? Chase it. Get it. What are you guys doing? Get it. Oh my gosh. It's fighting on its own. Please tell me this thing's gonna die. Ugh. Escaped. Killed it. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna go drink some water. Because apparently I'm thirsty. Now I am hungry. Great. What the heck? What the heck? Everyone's here. Where's my password? Where is my password? Where is it? Where's the tray? Oh, there we go. Password. Where's the tray? Is it taking a rest somewhere or something? Where the heck is it? There it is. I think that's fine. Okay, that's okay. Now how much do we got? How much I do got? Got 30. We need 80. 80? Yes, I need wood. Let's go. What else can we kill in this area? If I find another carbon enemy thingy, let's kill it. Definitely. How much time was this video? 9 minutes? What? Gosh. Oh, oh my goodness. Okay then. Okay, let's go get that trike over there. Let's eat some food. Last time I had a battle with the trike. I died. This time I got a hunt. Come on. Who's ready for us versus this trike? Come on. Oh my gosh. Or it could. I don't know. I need to hide. Okay, hide or tame. What is this? This is a male. Mine is a male. Get it. Get it. Just get it. I'm gonna hit it from the back. Wait, you guys get it, I guess. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Someone did. I'm dead. I'm dead. Okay. نعم.
يلا البس يلا.
ليه؟
نروح ناخد حقن بسرعة.
Where did they go? What? Is this them? Hide. We'll probably see absolutely nothing. Okay. Okay, I'll see you guys next time. See ya.